Y'all, oh my god. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. Look at this. Y'all should have seen the oranges earlier when the sun was going down over the mountains. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. This is called crispy pata. It is what the restaurant where Christian works at is named after. And it's basically pork that's fried. Comes out sizzling with a skin on it. Oh my god, this is so good. I wish I could taste this right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so good. So damn good. This is Cebu from the 48th floor at Horizon, where we're staying. They don't refrigerate their eggs, which a lot of places around the world don't. America is one of the only, we're one of the only places on earth that actually bleach our eggs and store them in the cold. Most people around the world don't bleach their eggs and they leave them out. Yep, just browsing around here at the mall. Pretty much your standard mall. It's smaller, but you know, they have pretty much everything in here you need. So, okay. So, here's the pool area. And then you got Tower 2 there and Tower 1. I remember it's right up, it's about right there. About 6 floors from the top. And so we're on the 9th floor, which means we're still high enough up that you can see that we're still above the city, you know. You can see there, and then it wraps around. We got this nice wall, otherwise. No? I know. This is the road Christian works on. Well, he doesn't work on this road. It's where his place of employment is located. Look at all these electrical lines. That freaks me out. Like, how's that not a fire hazard? This down here, I really wanted to eat. Still haven't had the chance. Probably won't be able to, but maybe. It's called La Lucha. Mexican restaurant. Looks so good. So this is a little area that you can see from all the pictures I've taken from the room. Century Plaza with the green roofs, and Alejandro's is in the center. As you can see, got a barbecue, Glenn's Barbecue Grill. Hotel La Carmen. I actually looked into staying there at one point. This is called Off My Top. There's time to run. So you can see from the green roof all the places. You're like, that's where it is. The Horizon. That's where we stay. And then you can see from down there the green roofs of where he works. We're here at Alejandro's. Got a extreme vape lounge. How about that? I don't vape anymore. Tattoos. Interesting. Like cash lending. Oh, a law office. And there it is. Alejandro's Crispy Pata. So we are headed to the oldest street in the Philippines, actually. It goes back to the 1500s. It's Cologne. It's called Cologne Avenue, Cologne Street. We've been there several times, but you really don't want to film there because you will get pickpocketed. Your phone will get jacked right out of your hand. No joke. So we're on a fairly decent bus today instead of a jeepney. So I figured I'd try to get a little bit of video going down there. So yay. motorcycles everywhere. So many people get around here on motorcycle, like as taxis, motorcycle taxis.